Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today guys we are going to talk about guys Infinix phone setting guys, and today video title guys how to fix talkback on Infinix mobile. Since you have talkback problem and friends now you are not operating your phone. So how to fix talkback problem today friends I am going to show you in this video. So easily guys you can fix your talkback problem in your any Android phone and any Infinix phone. And how to fix, first guys off your screen and guys on it. And guys how to on phone, as you can see you cannot swipe, so with two fingers swipe. And guys enter your password and double click, and guys my phone will unlock. So guys you have any pattern, so you will have to use your two finger to draw your pattern. First guys swipe right side and guys click on your phone setting. Where your phone setting guys, click double tap on phone setting. Friends your setting will on. Then guys you will have to again use your two finger to scroll guys. One finger guys don't use, you cannot scroll, you can check guys. So with two finger guys we will scroll it. As you can see special function guys, click here, one tap and guys double tap to fix talkback. Then guys you can see this type of setting. Then scroll it, accessibility setting, tap here, double tap here guys. Then again click on any setting and guys scroll it. Two finger, don't use guys one finger because you cannot use guys. You cannot use your phone. So I use the two finger, talkback, double tap. Use talkback guys, one tap, continue to tap here guys, stop talkback and double tap to fix. So guys your talkback will fix on your Infinix phone, and friends easily guys you can use your phone without any talkback setting guys. So like that guys, we can fix talkback on Infinix mobile. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. Friends, do you have any doubt it is true guys, your talkback setting, your accessibility setting, you can ask me in comment section. I will check, I will help you. Bye guys.